Hello, I'm Dr. John Croteau, Superintendent of Dysart Schools. In March, the Dysart Unified District Governing Board called for a bond election to be held on November 5th, 2024. This vote came after a unanimous Community Committee recommendation, which was the result of 6 months of meeting and reviewing the district needs. The estimated bond would be for $127 million to fund school safety improvements such as lockdown systems and secure points of entry, including gates, fencing, and key card access. Additionally, we will be replacing aging air conditioning systems, complete roof, ceiling, and repairs, and replace school buses over 15 years old. In response to growth, we would build a new elementary school in the Northwest Asante area, as well as purchase land for a new high school in Northwest Asante area. If you're not familiar with what a bond is, it is similar to a loan that is authorized by voters and funded through property taxes. Bonds are used to purchase capital items or make capital improvements and can only be used to fund projects that have a useful life longer than 5 years. Bond funding cannot be used for day-to-day operating expenses like salaries, utilities, or supplies. Bonds are repaid over a set period of time, similar to a mortgage. The last bond for our district was approved in 2006 and will phase out in 2028. If a new bond is approved by voters, the estimated bond tax rate for residents is estimated to be approximately half of the current rate beginning in 2029. You'll be receiving more information about the bond over the next few months, but we want you to be aware that you can visit dysart.org/bond 2024 anytime to get the facts. If you're interested in looking at our budget, it's always available online at dysart.org/budget. Also, make sure you are registered to vote by October 7th, 2024, so that you can make your voice heard. We look forward to sharing more information about the bond with you over the next few months so you can make an educated decision on Election Day.